How to fix Instagram Reels lag. So go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Once you're in the home page, you'll need to go to your Instagram profile. To do that, tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile tab, click on the three lines icon on the top right, click on settings, and once you're in the settings page, look for preferences and click on it. This will load in a new page wherein all you need to do is tap on data usage. Here you'll see the toggle for the option use less cellular data. All you need to do is toggle this off. What this does is it removes the limit of the cellular data used while using the Instagram application. If this is turned on, then it might be the reason why photos, videos, or any kind of media in Instagram is having trouble loading and uploading. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then the problem might be because of your signal or the speed of your internet itself. So that is how to fix Instagram Reels lag. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.